Hey guys, welcome back and hope you're all doing great. In this video today, we'll be looking into different styles of sofa covers, also known as couch covers or slip covers. They are a great home accessory that can easily update old pieces of furniture in your home. They are low maintenance and come in a variety of styles, colors, patterns, and much more. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Do enjoy. Do you currently use sofa covers or couch covers in your home or space? Please share your answers or questions for us below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to kindly like, comment and subscribe, and please turn on your notification bell to know once I upload a new video. I wish you all an awesome day. Bye guys.